May pinili si Mamay. May tira. Goodbye, Philippines. Following. Korea ba na good? Following ito. Pagpalong ba kada pagpalong?
Sugod pa ka sugod.
Puro. No. Aywa ha. Balik mo mahal. No, maybe not. May ganito na makapaglaga. Gusto ko guro to ay. Ha? May ganito ko ng mama ba? Gusto ko guro to. Nanawag ba? Mag-yaw-yaw na po natin yatin.
Kani. Kani. Kalo.
Ako bahala nga.
Hindi mo kayo kung dito pasulod sa hikit kayo.
Mag-flashlight na ko.
Ha? Mag-flashlight ka? Alang tao na ganyaga.
Hindi. Muli, hindi na siya sa ubus na.
Hindi ka madlo.
Hindi naman.
Matulog. Hindi abak sa dalan.
Buhay ko na eh. Aga ulit na tabak. Ikaw ulit na po. Ilabi. Awak sa damunan mo. Ikaw sa sila na po.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, hi, Elena. Elena. What is the correct pronunciation? Elena?
Elena. E.
Elena. Okay. So, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you. And
I'm good also. That's great. You are good. Did you eat already your dinner?
yes,
What did you eat tonight?
I eat chicken.
Oh, wow. Delicious. Chicken and
Vegetables.
wait for a while. Something. Okay. But again, what did you eat? Chicken and also
Chicken, vegetable, soup, and rice.
oh wow. And you are very full tonight, right? So, are you ready to take our lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So, last night we didn't finish our discussion. So now let's continue. Before we will go to another lesson. All right. So let's start. All right, wait for a while. Where is it? Unit. Okay, this one. All right, so here. Okay, wait for a while. So last time we discussed about, can you see it? Can you see
Yes,
this?
you can.
All right. So last time we discussed about grammar, grammar 3, unit 2, demonstratives, a and the and plural nouns. Then we also have the task 1, task 2. Then we have also done, okay, the task 2 and the task 3. We also have the task 5 and task 4 and also task 6 and 7. Then we have also here. I think we stop here.
Yes.
Wait for a while. All right, so here. We are done here, right? In task 9. Writing S, ES, IES, and change to VES and irregular words. So now let's proceed to task 10. No, task 12. So now read, choose, and write. Okay, so now before we will answer this following task, we will listen first to the audio. Okay, so let's listen.
Page 13. Exercise 12. Here's your breakfast. An egg for Lucy and a sandwich for you, Peter.
The sandwich is for Lucy, Mum, and the egg is for me.
Oh, sorry. Here you are.
Look, Mum, these are the right photos from the picnic.
They're good.
These boys are from Peter's class.
Who's the boy with the dark hair?
That's Ben. He's a new student in our school.
All right, so here, let's read the following dialogue. Okay, so let's read first. You will be the one to read the line of Mrs. Hardy, and I will be the one to read the line of Peter. Okay. Elena, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so please read the line of Mrs. Hardy. Later we will answer, but before now we will read first, okay? So start right now. Please read.
Here's your breakfast. Egg for Lucy and sandwich for you, Peter.
Sandwich is okay. I will be the one to read the Peter line. Sandwich is for Lucy, Mom, and egg is for me. Next.
So here you are.
Look, Mom, these are the right photos from picnic.
Very good.
Boys are from Peter's class.
Who's boy with the dark hair?
That's Ben. He's new student in our school. So now, let's answer. Start with number 1. Here's your breakfast. All you need to do is choose letter A, and or dash. What is your answer? All right, so let's check your answer. So for number 1, you answer N. So here's your breakfast. All right, so the correct answer, an egg for Lucy, and all right, a sandwich for you, Peter. Then we have number 3, blank sandwich is for Lucy, Mom. All right, the sandwich is for Lucy, Mom, and all right. So number 3, there are 2 answers. Then number 4, okay, I think this circle is here. The egg is for me. Then we have number 5, the. Okay, you are correct. Then number 6, these boys are from. Okay, very good. Next, who's the boy with the dark hair? Then that's Ben. He is unused. All right, very good, Elena. You got the correct answer. I know you have one mistake, but it's okay. The rest is correct. Okay. Are you okay? Are you sad or are you mad at me?
No.
Okay. So let's proceed to another. Okay, so here. What can you see in the picture? What is this? What is he doing? The boy.
The boy is pointing at the computer.
All right. So the boy is pointing the computer. All right. Then. All right. Writing practice. So here it goes. Complete with one word. Okay. So this is my room. It isn't very big. Then blank walls are green. I think it's blank nice color. There's a bed, a desk, a small table, and blank window. There isn't blank TV, but there is a CD player. Then this is my computer and blank are my CDs. My desk isn't very tidy. Look, there are 2 blank on it. Then look at those cars over there on the 2. They are my favorite. Red car is a Ferrari and the green car is blank Aston Martin. The blank are from Australia. I like them very much. Okay, so answer this following, and this is the example this. So we have 4, right? This, those, and that. But we use the this and that when singular, but it's plural, this and those. Okay, did you get it? Okay, answer and tell me if you're done. All right. So how about number 7 up to 11? You try.
Okay.
All right. Are you done?
Not yet.
Okay, so let's check your answer. Complete with one word. So number 2, this is my room. It isn't very big. The walls are green. I think it's, what is this? A?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's a nice color. Then there's a bed, dark, a small table, and a window. This isn't what? There isn't blank TV, but there is a CD player. Then we have, this is my computer, and these are my CDOs. Then my desk, look at those cars over there on the 2 shelves. They are my favorite. And the red car is a Ferrari, and the green car is, all right. What is this? Posters are from Australia. I like them very much. Then glasses on it. All right, next. Okay. All right, so here rewrite the sentences and the form to form the plural. This is photo is fantastic. So I will give you an example first. All right, so it's missing. You only put the name that you know. The photo is fantastic. Then the bug is heavy. The story is very funny. And the woman, all right, so let's cut here. Complete with the plural form of the world brackets. All right, so here, draw and write about your room. Draw your room and write about it. Use task 13 as an example. Okay, so now I will give you the time to draw your room.
Okay. Please tell me if you're done. Eleanor, Elena. Are you done making? Not yet. Are you done writing?
I am done.
All right. So can I see your output?
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes. I can see. Where is your answer?
This is my room.
Are you done?
Not yet.
Okay, take your time.
Mày để với nhẹ thôi. Okay.
Okay, yes, you are done.
Yes.
All right, so I will read your what do you call this? I will read your text or email. So there's a bed, a pillow, the desk, and the chair is next to my bed. Then there two teddy bear. The picture is near my bed. I love my room. All right, so very good. It's great. You know how to write you know how to write a sentence and a paragraph about your room. Okay. Then we have, then here is your picture of your room. All right, so we are already done in our lesson entitled the descriptive using a and they and plural. All right, so now let's proceed to our new lesson. Elena, where are you?
Yes.
Where are you? Okay, so now let's proceed to our new lesson. All right, so can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so now we will learn about grammar 3 again, unit 3, possessive s and of. All right. So here, so there is an dialogue here with the pictures, right? What can you see in the picture? Elena,
Yes.
what can you see in the picture? It's all about
Is about
what?
the food.
Yes,
The
they have foods, they eat in the Marta snacks. Then there's I think they are friendship, right?
yes.
So let's read the dialogue. Here's your food, guys. Harry's sandwich, Beth's salad, and Lucy's apple pie. Then salad for Peter. Then no, I'm not very hungry. Then thanks, Martha. Then here are the girls' milkshakes. Then and here's Peter's special cheeseburger with extra fries. Then thank goodness you're not hungry. Okay. So then, all right. So now let's have test one. Complete the table. Okay. So I will read first. Possessives for people and animals. Singular. This is Harry's sandwich. That's Beth's salad. Then we have plural nouns that end in S. Here are the girls' milkshakes. Are those the boys' bikes? Then nouns that do not end in S. What are the children's names? Look at those women clothes. All right, next. Okay. Here we go. All four things. What's the name of the street? What color are the walls of the house? Look at that color, that car. All right. So here, apostrophe S, then off. Okay, so now test to read the information. Okay. Elena, where are you?
I'm here.
Yes. Possessive singular. Listen to teacher first. We use apostrophe S or to show that something belongs to a personal or animal. Like for example, Cosmos, basket. My parents' room. We add an apostrophe plus S after a name. Peter's or a singular noun, the cat's. Then Peter's sister, the cat's tail. Then, when a name ends in S, we often just add an apostrophe or the apostrophe. Charles' sister or Charles' sister. Then, possessive plural. For plural nouns that end in S, we just add an apostrophe without the S. Then, my friend's house, the boy's name. If the plural noun does not end in S, we add an apostrophe. Then the children's toys. Then when we talk about something that belongs to or more people, we add S after the last name only. Then Fred and Sarah's house, like that. Then when we talk about something does not belong to a person or animal but is part of another thing, we do not use apostrophe S. We usually use a phrase with of. We say the walls of the house, the top of the mountain. Okay, so next. All right, so here, task 3, complete. Complete what? All right, so here there's another. Okay, there's another task that we need to answer. All right, number 1, blank computer is very good. Then is blank birthday in July. Then Vivi is my blank best friend. Then we have also blank violin is on her bed. Then blank favorite food is fish fingers. Then that isn't ball. That's my ball. Then that blank mom is a teacher. Then where is blank bowl? All right, you may take answer now. Elena? Elena?
Yes.
All right, okay.
Okay.
Next. All right, so let's check your answer. Your answer number 1, Harry's computer is very good. Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Then is Helen's birthday in July. Okay, we have apostrophe S. Then Vivi is my sister's best friend. Then Lucy's Violet is on her bed. Then Cosmo's favorite food is fish finger. Then that isn't David's ball. That's my ball. Then that boy's mom's is a teacher. Then where is he? Bella's bowl. Okay, very good. Next, we have another test. Okay, so now test for complete with apostrophe S or. All right, so here, all you need to do is complete with apostrophe S and or. Apostrophe after the S.
Bé bé cái mồm thôi. Okay.
All right, so let's check your answers. So here, Chris, apostrophe S. All right, then I like Andres, but I don't like James t-shirt. Okay. Very good. And the girls. All right, so the correct is at the last of the S. Shoes are under the bed. The last. Then my cousins. CDs are on the desk. Okay, apostrophe S. Do you know Stella, grandmother? All right, then Giles or Gales? Apostrophe S. House has got a lovely garden. Then Jade's. All right, bike is red. Then my sisters. Okay, the last room is very big. All right, so by now we are already it's already time and we must continue it for the next meeting. And Elena, where are you? Can I see you? Can Elena, can we have makeup class tomorrow if you have vacant time? Because we have 3 sessions that we need to have a makeup class. Tell me if you are vacant tomorrow so that we will have a makeup class, okay? Update me in GC.
Okay, we can have a lesson tomorrow.
All right, what time are you available tomorrow?
The normal time.
What?
The time we often study. Like
Tomorrow, can we have at 6 p.m. if you have available?
then we have 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Okay. Wait, tomorrow 7 p.m. I will check first. 7 p.m. Oh, tomorrow I have 7 p.m. How about in afternoon? Do you have vacant time?
Um, 6 p.m. is okay.
Okay, so thank you. So tomorrow, let's have makeup class for 6 p.m. Okay, so bye now. It's already time. Bye-bye and thank you. Good night.
Night night.
Night, night.